This video will show the steps to unbox and assemble the PureTilt Tilt-in-Space wheelchair. Open inner front flap/top crush protector to reveal seat cushion box. Remove the seat cushion box. Remove the rear corner supports. Remove padded sides. Fold rear of box down to floor, providing access to the rear of wheelchair. Slightly lift the rear of the PureTilt and remove the box behind the chair. This box contains the casters, headrest, calf pads, and anti-tippers. Remove the folded and padded cardboard from the box. This just rests on the box, so it is easy to remove. Remove cardboard insert containing the casters, calf pads, and anti-tippers. The headrest is located in the bottom of the box. Unlock both rear wheel locks on the PureTilt. Once the wheel locks are unlocked, unfold and lock the backrest into place. To remove the PureTilt from the box, tip the wheelchair back onto rear wheels and roll backwards until free of cardboard support cradle. Next, pivot completely back into push handles. Finally, roll the PureTilt away on rear wheels to a clear space for final assembly. To attach the front casters, leave the PureTilt resting on its back. Then unclip the caster pin wire lock and remove pins from caster stem tubes. The next step is to install casters in the caster stem tubes. In order to install the front casters to match rear wheel height, install the pin in the upper caster stem hole. Reclip the wire lock to lock in place. Remove the footrest plate foam and set aside. Tip the PureTilt up onto the front casters to complete final assembly. To install the anti-tippers, push the anti-tippers into the receiving tube and insert the pins. Install the calf pads and set pads, and will attach easily. Pin the headrest in place with 2 pins in rear of back section. Once you have completed all these steps, your PureTilt is ready for use. Please remember to always read the user manual for best practices and more information.